Are you looking for a two-story home in the southwest area, close to the strip, close to the airport? Well, don't go anywhere, guys, because behind me we have the Marcia floor plan, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is June 2nd, 2025, and today we are here at Hinson Hills by Lennar, here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right off of Silverado Ranch and Valley View. Now, this is a great community, especially if you're looking to buy a new construction home close to the airport, close to the strip, and you want to be close to the 15, okay? So most new construction communities are going to build more in the outskirts of town, but this location, again, guys, you're only about 15 to 20 minutes away. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans here. They offer the Cindy, the Jan, the Marcia, all 2-story floor plans ranging from about 2,000 square feet all the way up to 2,405 square feet. Now, the base prices range from $549,990 all the way up to $579,990. With Lennar, I would say your out the door price is not too far off from those base prices because with Lennar, they include a lot of nice standard features. They're quicker move-in homes, guys. So if you're looking to get the best deal, I would go with a standing inventory home. And then after that, I'd go for a home that closes within 30 days because some of these will be discounted, okay? I'll also put up on the screen for you guys some of the quick move-in prices. So as you can see, they're not too far off from the base price. Here in Lennar, again, they make quick move-in homes. But if you wanted to choose like your options as far as flooring, countertop, backsplash, and I think those are the only options you could choose from, you just have to pick a lot. That's going to take a lot longer to build. So maybe if they're 3 or 4 months away from completion, you might have a say on what options get put in them, okay? So HOA is about $100 a month. They have about 86 homes in this community. That's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Marcia floor plan. Now, the Marcia floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 5 bath, 2,405 square feet. Base price is $579,990. Right now, they do have a quick move-in available. It is discounted and it's priced at $584. Okay, guys, just remember prices are subject to change. So today is June 2nd, I believe. Yes, June 2nd, 2025. So if you're watching this video a lot later, prices are probably different. Okay, so the paver driveway is included. The desert landscaping is included. Now, again, just a reminder, we are here in Lake Las Vegas, but this video is for the Hinson Hills community in the southwest side of Las Vegas. They don't have the models up yet, but I'm just showing you guys the floor plans of what will be over there, okay? But they also offer these floor plans in Inspirada, close to me as well. So yeah, let's check out the, headed towards the entry door. Okay, so it's an 8-foot door right here. Okay, so welcome in. Now, as soon as you open the door, you're kind of in this like hallway, and then you take a left. You're gonna have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. Okay, and then to the right, you're gonna have your stairs, and then right over here, you're gonna have your bedroom. Okay, so it's actually very similar to the looks pretty similar to the Jan floor plan down here. Okay. Cool. So we got your coat closet. All right, guys. So as far as the flooring is concerned, when you choose a move-in ready home, most likely it's going to be vinyl plank or smaller tiles. Okay. So in this specific model, you have really large tiles. Don't think they're going to be going with that option in the for the spec homes. Okay, so nice open floor plan. So this is going to be your kitchen. Okay, so you got the optional quartz right here. Now the kitchen, all the appliances here are included. So you have the GE oven stovetop, the microwave, the GE refrigerator, as well as the GE dishwasher. Okay, you also have the stainless steel undermount sink. So this for sure is going to be at every house, as well as that faucet. Now the only things that are going to be different between spec homes is the flooring, the countertop, and backsplash, I would say. Okay, so this microwave acts as a vent. Now it does blow outside your house. Oh, forgot to check the pantry out. Okay, so this is the pantry. Now all the interior doors, you're gonna have this 5-panel door. Okay, which is nice, it's modern. And then these all will also be your handles right here. Okay, so welcome to the dining room area. Okay, so you'll have this covered patio. The paver driveway, the pavers underneath the covered patio is included, but see where you see the turf and the rocks, that's all going to be dirt. Okay, that's going to be dirt as well. You have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Now, as far as the lot sizes at Hinson Hills, I do believe, I'm not too sure if it's going to be reflective, like if these backyards over here are going to be reflective of the ones in Hinson Hills. So, but yeah, just give me a call and I could definitely find out what the average lot square footage is. Okay. But yeah, guys, usually blinds are not included, but if you want them, let me know. We could definitely work that in there. Okay, so we got the thermostat, controls the temperature downstairs. Right, straight ahead, you're gonna have your door to your garage. It's locked, that's construction office, but the garage is gonna come unfinished, meaning that it's not gonna be painted, the walls or the ceilings. A pre-wire for the for an EV vehicle, as well as you'll have a tankless water heater and a water softener lube. Okay, so this is the bedroom downstairs. You could also switch this light out for a fan as well. Now, usually this room is going to be carpeted. Okay, it won't have hard flooring. So this is the bath. This is a 3/4 bath because it has a walk-in shower. You'll have your single sink and your toilet. Fiberglass enclosure. Okay, so we'll head up to the second floor. Now it looks like we do have a landing step right up there. So as you can see, when you're walking up, you have really high ceilings. Okay. This is what you see when you're up here. So as soon as you get to the second floor, you're gonna have this nice loft. Okay, so the first floor reminds me really similar to the Jan floor plan, which is the other model house here. But the only difference is when you walk up to the Jan, this is the loft and all the bedrooms are that way. But it looks like we have your primary bedroom, a guest bedroom over here, and then we also have another guest bedroom over here. Okay. Oh, a guest bedroom with a full bath. So yeah, this room would be great if you have, like a relative or friend staying with you. You want to give them their own shower. Okay. You also have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, which is really nice. This is going to be your walk-in closet. Okay. You have your sink, your toilet, and then your shower tub. Okay, these things are really easy to clean. But this is exactly how your bathroom setup is gonna look, right? For the countertop, I'm assuming they're gonna be using this quartz as well for every quick move-in spec home. This undermount sink, that Mullen faucet. Cabinet colors are going to vary depending on the spec home, as well as the flooring. Okay. Toilet is pretty standard. They're gonna put the same toilet in every house. Okay, nice. There's a little area right here. So to the right, you're gonna have another guest bedroom. All right, so that's a full-size bed. You got your standard closet here. If I were to take a guess, I would say this room is probably an 11 by 11. I'll show you the full bath, single sink. You got your toilet, shower tub. And so we have your linen closet right here. Now guys, if you are watching this video and you are interested in a new construction community and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just do not go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Now, once they have that information, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. Now, the big difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So really important to get yourself some representation. Okay, cool. So welcome to the primary bedroom. This is nice. You have a balcony up here. See up here, there's a nice view of the golf course. Again, guys, we are here in Lake Las Vegas touring these homes. But again, this video, I'm just touring these homes for the community in Hinson Hills, which is in the southwest area, okay? So, because they don't have model homes up yet. Okay, so here's the primary bath. You have your toilet room. Okay, nice. You have a large walk-in closet. And then here's your dual sinks, your walk-in shower, your shower tub. All right, guys, cool. Let me know what you think of the Marcia floor plan. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, curious to know what the incentives are, or you're just looking for an expert to guide you through the new construction process, guys, reach out to me. Info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.